Hey there, guys. So I know there's a lot of you out there that are wanting to do some face swapping stuff, but you have like really no skills with the computer, and that's fine. Like you acknowledge that, and I think maybe this isn't going to be the video for those of you who understand basic stuff about computers, but there's a lot of people out there that just want to get the stuff, click it, get it going and running. This is the video for you. I'm going to walk you through what I would consider a very easy install of face swapping software, but I understand that this stuff it's confusing. It's like you feel like there's a million pieces all over, and even though someone else is like it's really just this and this, you're like, wow, it's cool. That's how that goes. So I'm going to walk you through a real quick install of probably the easiest to install face swapping software and one of the most powerful out there. So first, go ahead and share this video, like the channel, and tell other people about it. I'd certainly appreciate that very much. Thank you so much. You're a good person for doing that. I'm going to shake your hand. All right. Well, really quick, let's get back to... Okay. Follow my steps here. This is really... I wouldn't call this a one-step install. It's like a two-step install. It's pretty easy, though, okay? What we're going to do, let's go to our browser, and all you need to do, I'm going to teach you how to use my installer. Just go to patreon.com, okay, /CogniBuild. Up at the top, you're going to see this list of available face swap tools, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to grab this one that says Rope Next Portable Install. Okay, now you'll have to sign up to get it. You can also do this manually, but then you're getting into the stuff that you don't want to do. Okay, so we're going to click it, all right? And then it's going to bring us to here, okay? And down here, you're going to see it says Rope Portable Install. So then you click that, and it's going to go ahead, and you'll see here brings up a place to download it. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to your C drive, okay, and then I want you to right click and go New Folder, okay. Then we're going to go Rope. Just do that, press Open down here, and then I want you to save it to that folder, okay. So a lot of times what people do is they download it to their downloads folder, and then they try and install it there, and it causes issues because just where the downloads is actually located causes issues. So let me show you here really quickly. If we go over to our File Explorer, a lot of you have browsers where it's going to download to your File Explorer. That's fine. If it does, I'm going to grab something that pretend that here it's just click it, okay, and you'll right click it. Here, let's go back to desktop view. Same thing. You'll just right click whatever it is, and you're just going to go hit copy. Then do the same thing. Go to your C drive, right click, go New Folder, and make a Rope folder. Then you just paste it in there. Okay. So if it gives you the choice of where to download it, just go to your C drive, create a folder called Rope, and download it there. If it downloads it into your downloads, still go to your C drive, create a folder named Rope, but then go back there and copy the file that you downloaded and put it in the Rope directory, okay? Simple. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to go back to our File Explorer. We're going to click on that Rope folder, and now we have our file. It's our zip file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click on it. You can't see it, but down here I have an extract here. I'm just going to extract that zip file to this folder. Okay. Now, it's going to pop out these 3 files. Don't worry about the about. That's just information that pops up in the installer. You got your install.bat. That's the one we're going to use. And then you got run. Okay. We're going to use that later. Okay. Well, all we got to do is just click install. Now, notice we're in the C drive. Okay. We're on Rope. Okay. Now, we're just going to double click that. And this is going to pop up it's going to pop up an installer. Okay, let's see here if I can get that over to so you can see that. Okay, it's going to pop up this window. And let me let me minimize this for you so you can see it a little bit better. In just a moment here. There we go. Okay, and you'll notice it just starts downloading files. Now it's going to download about 11 gigabytes worth of file. Okay, and it's just putting them here. You'll see if we go back to our File Explorer, you'll see that it's creating them here. Rope, live setup bin, rope setup bin. So it's putting them there. Okay, it's going to go ahead and get all your resources for you, so you don't have to do it manually. And then when it's done, it's going to go ahead and install it. So all you got to do is just sit here and let it download. So I'm going to hit the pause button, and we'll come back when it's done downloading. And again, it's about 10 gigabytes, but it's okay. And this has been easy so far, hasn't it? All we did was we went to the website, clicked on the Rope Portable Installer, downloaded it into a folder called Rope, okay, created the Rope drive, and then we extracted it and we clicked Install. Okay, that's all we've done so far. Okay, we're not creating a third-party platform. We're not doing anything. Everything is going to be in this folder. Okay, and when it's all done, we're just going to click this Run Rope thing. But right now, we're just waiting for this to done, and there will be a prompt when it's done that says it's done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it. See, we've got about half of them down so far, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now notice it's downloaded everything. All downloads operations, here is that screen. All download operations completed, executing Rope Live setup. So it automatically clicks in. Press any key to continue. So we're just going to go ahead and press the key. It's going to close that out, but you'll notice it's popped up this. Welcome to the Rope Live Setup Wizard. Okay, now all we got to do is click Next. Now, be careful here. We want to just click Browse. We want to put it in the same folder that we downloaded. So just click C and then Rope. Okay, so we're going to put it in the same folder. Press OK, and now it's a C Rope Live. Okay, so you're going to click Next, and then we're going to click Install. Now this isn't installing a third-party software. This is not actually even installing into your Windows system like a normal thing. All it's really doing is it's just unpackaging it, and it's setting up your dependencies. Okay, so this isn't going to interfere with anything else. A lot of times, what you install stuff, and if you go to your add or remove programs, it brings up this. It's not installing it like this. Okay, it's using an installer that looks like that, but it's actually just installing it into the folder. Okay, so if we go back to the File Explorer, you'll see it's created a Rope Live folder. Okay, so you don't really have to worry about anything. When it's done, all we're going to do is we're just going to click this Run Rope Portable.bat. Okay, but for now, we're just letting it install. Now this takes a bit of time because this has everything packaged into it, so that you're not going to have to make sure that you have Python installed. You're not going to have to make sure you have Miniconda. Everything is going to be here. This is why this is the easiest install of this. Okay, but it's also it's larger. It's double the size kind of a thing. Okay, but unlike Pinocchio is such a silly app because you download this huge app and then it's confusing and you got to click and then install. This is not like that. This is literally just installing Rope Next. Okay, very easy install. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. I'm going to pause and then we're done. Okay, I mean this truly was. I mean, you want one click and that it gets it all done. I mean, you got to do a few other things there, but that's pretty simple, and I've walked you through it. So we'll be right back. Okay, and there you go. It's gone through. It says finished installation, and if we click over to here, we'll see here in our terminal window it actually completed as well. So click over here, just hit that button. Now it says you can start the program by running the start rope bat file. So click that, close that out. We can go back to here and we can just click finish. Now if we go over to our File Explorer where we started, on, that's not showing up very good. Just one moment. Okay, there we are. Now, okay, it had the wrong name on there, but click this one, Run Rope Portable. So we just gonna click that. Okay, and then you'll see here. So it's gonna pop up this. Say run as anyways. Okay. Now it's gonna bring this up, and this takes a moment because it's first install always takes a little bit of time. So we sit here, twiddle our thumbs. In this case, no news is good news. We don't want errors popping up, but it's not going to. All we did was we clicked that install to get it going. Okay, it downloaded all this stuff, and then it ran it itself. Installed it back. We installed it back into the C drive, and then when it was done, we clicked this Run Rope Portable. So now we're just waiting for it to load, the initial load. Maybe I'll just pause it here so you don't have to wait any longer. Oh, no, there it is. Look at that. And then there you go. It's popped up. There is your program. See how easy that is? Then all you got to do is select your video folder. This is where the things you're going to face swap into are. Select the faces folder. So I have a folder for videos that I want to face swap. I have a folder for faces that I want to use to put on the videos, and then you select your output folder, and you can watch another video on how to use all the stuff. But there you go. That was an incredibly simple install. Like I said, I know even stuff that's simple we get kind of a little freaked out about, but you did that. Okay, that took maybe 15 minutes from between downloading and the install, and that was as close as you're going to get to a one-click right there. So you can get that over there on the Patreon site. Just go to patreon.com/CogniBuild. Scroll down here to a list of available face swap tools, and you'll see it right here. Rope Next Portable Install. Easy peasy. All right, you guys hang in there. We will catch up with you on the other side, and as usual, be good.